Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to recover deleted Instagram messages. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to recover your deleted Instagram messages, the first thing you can do is ask the person to screenshot the message and send it to him, because if you have deleted the message, then it's just going to be deleted in your place. It won't delete the message in their account, so like they can still view the old messages. So you can ask them to screenshot it and send it to you. And the other thing you can do is go to your profile picture, which is at the bottom right corner, then click on the three line, which is at the top right corner, then click on setting, and you can click on security, and on security you can click on download data, which is in data and history column, and enter the email over here. And after entering your email, click on request download, and then enter the password of your account. And after entering the password of your account, click on next, which is at the top right corner. After this, now remember, it says over here that your data will take about 48 hours to be sent it to you, and after like 48 hours your data should be sent to you on the email as a zip file, and you can download the zip file and open it and then see all of your Instagram history from there, because Instagram just collects all the data of your account and then stores it in their database for their use. So you can just ask them and they would send the data to you, and you can download and then see your old messages. So that's basically how you recover deleted Instagram messages. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.